Have you ever looked back on your career and thought, I've learned so much? All those years of navigating challenges, leading teams, and mastering your craft have built a reservoir of incredible expertise. What if you could turn that wisdom into a new stream of income right from the comfort of your own home? If you're over 50 and you're a seasoned pro, it's time to monetize that expertise. If you're ready for flexible work that fits your life, without the daily commute and rigid 9-to-5 structure, then remote side hustles are the answer. And if adding a meaningful cushion to your savings or simply having more spending money matters, then you need options that respect your schedule and value your experience. In this guide, we'll walk through 6 proven at-home side hustles perfect for this chapter of your life. We'll cover what they are, who they're for, and exactly how to get started. First up, freelance consulting. This is where you package your years of industry-specific knowledge and sell it as expert advice. You become a strategic partner for businesses, startups, or even individuals who need to solve a problem you've already solved a dozen times. Think of yourself as a guide, helping clients navigate complex projects, refine their strategy, or avoid costly mistakes. This is ideal for anyone with a background in management, marketing, human resources, finance, or IT. If you've ever been the go-to person for answers in your department, you're already halfway there. The key skills are not just your technical knowledge, but your ability to listen, diagnose problems, and communicate solutions clearly. In this field, clients pay for wisdom, not age. To get started, you don't need a fancy office. Your primary tools will be a professional-looking LinkedIn profile and platforms like Upwork or Fiverr Pro to find your first clients. A simple scheduling tool like Calendly can automate your bookings. Here's your quick start plan. First, define your niche. Don't just be a marketing consultant. Be a marketing consultant for small e-commerce brands. Second, create a simple one-page document outlining your services and what problems you solve. Third, set an initial hourly rate. Research similar consultants, but don't undervalue yourself. Rates from $75 to over $250 an hour are common. A quick win? Offer a free 15-minute discovery call to your first few prospects. The biggest watch-out is imposter syndrome. Remember, you have decades of experience that younger entrepreneurs are desperate for. Number 2, virtual bookkeeping. This is a fantastic option because it's always in demand. Every small business needs to keep its finances in order, but most can't afford a full-time accountant. As a virtual bookkeeper, you manage their financial records, tracking income, expenses, and ensuring everything is accurate for tax time. It's a steady, predictable, and essential service. This is perfect for anyone who is detail-oriented, organized, and comfortable with numbers. If you've ever managed a department budget, run a household's finances meticulously, or have a background in accounting or admin, you have the right mindset. You don't need to be a CPA. Modern software does the heavy lifting. Your main tools will be cloud-based accounting software like QuickBooks Online, Xero, or FreshBooks. Most of your work will happen right inside these platforms. To get started, consider taking a certification course for one of these programs. It adds instant credibility. You can land your first client by networking with other small business owners or listing your services on local business directories. Many bookkeepers charge a monthly retainer from $200 to over $1,000 per client, depending on the complexity. A great quick win is to offer a financial health checkup for a flat fee to show a potential client the value you provide. The risk? Falling behind. It's crucial to block out dedicated time each week for each client to keep their books current. Third on our list is online tutoring and mentoring. This is about sharing your knowledge directly with students who need it. You can teach academic subjects you excelled at, like math or history, or mentor younger professionals in your field, helping them navigate their careers. It's incredibly rewarding and leverages both your academic and real-world knowledge. This is a natural fit for former teachers, engineers, writers, scientists, or anyone who enjoys explaining concepts to others. Patience and strong communication skills are more important than a formal teaching degree. For mentoring, any experienced professional can guide someone just starting out. Platforms like Tutor.com, Wyzant, and Chegg Tutors are great for academic subjects. For professional mentoring, you can use platforms like Growth Mentor or even create a profile on LinkedIn showcasing your willingness to mentor. Many of these platforms pay between $20 to $60 per hour. Getting started is simple. Choose your subject or area of expertise. Sign up on one or two platforms and create a compelling profile that highlights your experience and passion for the subject. Set your availability. Even a few hours a week can make a difference. A quick win is to ask a friend or family member for a testimonial after a practice session. The main watch-out is managing expectations. Be clear about what you can and cannot help with in your sessions. Number 4. Remote customer support. Don't let the title fool you. This isn't just about call centers. Many companies need mature, reliable professionals to handle customer inquiries via email, chat, or phone. Your life experience gives you a huge advantage: patience, empathy, and problem-solving skills that can't be taught in a training manual. The shifts are often flexible, making it a great part-time option. This role is perfect for anyone who is a good listener, a clear communicator, and has a knack for staying calm under pressure. If you've ever worked in retail, hospitality, or any client-facing role, you're a strong candidate. The best part is that company training makes this easy to start. They provide you with all the product knowledge and software training you need. You can find these jobs on remote-focused job boards like FlexJobs, We Work Remotely, or even directly on the career pages of companies you admire. To get started, update your resume to highlight your communication and problem-solving skills. During interviews, use examples from your past career to demonstrate your ability to handle difficult situations gracefully. Earnings typically range from $15 to $25 per hour. A quick win is to apply to companies whose products you already use and love. Your genuine enthusiasm will shine through. The watch out? It can be repetitive, so look for roles at companies with a mission you believe in to keep it engaging. 5th, we have content writing and ghostwriting. If you have a way with words, this side hustle has endless potential. Businesses of all sizes need written content: blog posts, articles, website copy, email newsletters, and even social media posts. As a ghostwriter, you write this content on behalf of an executive or a brand, and they publish it under their name. This is for anyone who enjoys writing and has strong grammar and research skills. Your professional background is a massive asset here. An engineer can write technical articles, a former HR manager can write about corporate culture, and a seasoned salesperson can write compelling marketing copy. You can find work on platforms like Contently, ClearVoice, or by networking on LinkedIn. To start, create a small portfolio of 3 to 4 writing samples on topics you know well. You can even publish them on a free platform like Medium. Then, start pitching clients. The goal is to build a roster of recurring clients who need content every month. Pay varies widely, from per-word rates to per-project fees. A good writer can earn anywhere from $50 for a short article to thousands for a major project. A quick win is to offer to write one trial article at a reduced rate to prove your skills. The risk is the feast or famine cycle, which is why building those retainer clients is key to stable income. Finally, number 6, selling digital products. This is the ultimate way to scale your expertise. Instead of trading your time for money one-on-one, you create a valuable digital asset once and sell it over and over again. This could be a downloadable guide, a set of templates, a short online course, or even a well-researched spreadsheet. This is for the expert who wants to build a source of passive income. Think about what you know that others want to learn. A project manager could sell a project plan template. A gardener could sell a seasonal planting guide. A financial advisor could create a mini course on retirement budgeting. The possibilities are tied directly to your life's work and hobbies. You can use simple platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Stan Store to sell your products. You don't need to be a tech wizard. To get started, identify a common question you get asked. That's your product idea. Create a minimum viable product, a simple, short, but high-value version. For example, start with a one-page checklist before you build a 20-module course. Price it affordably, perhaps between $10 and $50, and promote it to your network. The beauty is that you create it once, and it can sell for years. The watch out here is marketing. Creating the product is only half the battle. You have to be willing to tell people about it. So, there you have it. 6 powerful ways to generate income from home, built on the foundation of your experience. The key now is to avoid getting overwhelmed. Don't try to do all of them. Pick one that genuinely excites you, the one that made you think, I could do that. Commit to trying just that one for the next 30 days. Set it up, find one client, or make one sale and see how it feels. After a month, you can assess, adjust, and then decide whether to scale what works or try something new. You've spent a lifetime gathering skills, wisdom, and perspective. Now is the perfect time to turn it into flexible, meaningful income on your own terms. You've got the experience. Now go turn it into your next success story.